do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know,
object-oriented programming. Sorry for the battery is low. So object-oriented programming, so OPP, then object has two characteristics, an attributes and a behavior. So if I take an example, the attribute is age, color, name, and behavior equals to singing, dancing. So we will make a species equals to bird, make a function, so its init function will give name, age, whatever the attributes are, and self dot age name, self dot name equals to name. We can make it smaller also by making it a, not a. Self dot age equals to a, and here we will make it team equals to parrot. So parrot equals to will give the name, as Python is indicating that. So name like team, and the e for age is 5. So we will print team dot name, and it's coming absolutely fine, and print age, and print team dot class dot species, and here you can make it fine, absolutely is. But if we remove that only, also it will print something, because it is class attributes and it is an instance attribute. So if we make it remove, we can remove the class also, and it will fine, it will also print fine, is verb. So now we will make an instance method. So we will function like singing, like self dot song, what song we will print, and return the name and the song name also. Now another dancing self, because we don't know any name of the dance, so we did not giving it. So return the names, and we'll make some comment is I think it may give an error, I think so. In okay, I think still it will give me error, I think so. Railroad name, saying hello print blue dot name, blue dot age. Shit, it's giving me error. What I wrong, what I did. Okay, that thing. Okay, so let's make it proper, because inside the class it will happen, right? So now it will print fine, I think so. Yeah, it's printing absolutely fine. So blue hello, and the okay, we need to make a change. I think in return part we have to make a change. So instead of this, we can comment it out like the self name and something like dancing. Okay, he's dancing, and dance name, actually dance name you can also put, like for example dance name for okay Goosh. So actually I don't know the dance name, that's why I given a Goosh name. And now we will make an inheritance. What is inheritance? So inheritance, you can make it like parent class, and there is a child class, so multiple child class. So here the class bird is the parent class. Okay, so bird is ready, and function, who is this? It's a bird, right? And print bird. So when we will call the who is this, it will call me a bird actually. And swim, if we want to call it swim, It's a parent class, so I already told you that. And we are now making a child class for parrot. Okay, so parrot me giving a self bird, and here in a child class we have to give the mention the parent class as a bracket so that it makes. So init function, so self it's a print, we will print the penguin, the parrot is ready, and we will just hit all the copy paste, and we will make it fly and fly faster, that is. Same with the parrot, and same thing with this. Like a parrot, now we'll print it. Now it's run. So it will be fly, and when we print, see all it's right. Okay. So now we will make another class, child class. So it's now encapsulation. So what is encapsulation? So encapsulation is something like function of making. So we have given now max price equals to 900, right? So now if selling price as max price is equals to, now sell price is max price, right? Now we can so set price, set max price. Later on we can set max price as whatever we want. Okay, so price equals to self dot max price equals to price. So whatever price we will input in it, it will replace that 900 with the thing. So when we are printing cell, now max price, now 100. So now the set max price, now sell, the first cell will be 900, then it will be 10,000. Okay, so we have print C, and same thing as this. So you can see no need for print because it already we have written that print, so everything right. So we have changed the thing, as you can see. So that is encapsulation. Okay, again we can change the max price as 700. It's all to, it'll also change, right? So same thing. Okay, so it's changing. Now we'll make a small program like cell.name equals to bird name of the bird equals to input whatever name we will give it. No need for that, I think. So we just, I think it will be name. Okay, so whatever name we will give it will be input. So naming, so self, and if self dot equals to parrot, then it will print it flies. Okay, parrot can fly, and parrot, and if self dot this, if it is equals to penguin, it will print it can swim. Okay, so now if we print it, a is equals to bird, we call that function into the name of a bird. So it's equals to, we can just giving a user to choose it. User naming. So now parrot. Let's see. So now we'll just parrot. Penguin is game parrot. It can fly. So that's okay. So what is class complex number? So complex number, you can see self dot r equals to 0, I equals to 0, and self image equals to function dot of self print function. Now we will print the self real plus self image and G. Okay, so we will print now the num1 equals to complex 2 and 3. So
it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing.